To participate in Medelz competitions, start by going to the competitions section on the Medelz website. At the top menu, you'll see a tab labeled Competitions. When you hover over it, a drop-down will appear showing all the categories in which competitions are generally held, such as music, dance, film, art, fashion, and photography. Select the category that matches your artistic skill. Once you click on a category, you'll be taken to a page with 3 tabs: upcoming, active, and ended. If you're looking to find out about future competitions in your chosen category, stay on the upcoming tab. If you want to join a currently running competition, switch to the active tab. In the active tab, you'll see a list of competitions that are live and open for participation. For each competition, there are a few important details you should check first. The round of the competition. It could be in round 1, 2, or 3. Some competitions only have a single round, while others may have 2 or even 3 rounds. You'll also be able to see the start date of the next phase of the current round, whether submissions are open, and the profiles of the judges who will be reviewing entries. Once you find a competition you're interested in, click on View Details. On the competition page, scroll down and click on Read More to read the full details. This section will give you a better idea of what the competition is about, including its theme, so make sure to read it carefully to see if it's something you'd like to participate in. As you scroll further, you'll see the Rules section. Click to expand it and read everything thoroughly. It's important to go through the rules to avoid any kind of issues or disqualification later on. You'll also notice a visual progress bar that shows the current stage of the competition. You can click this arrow to check which round the competition is currently in and see the total number of rounds. Plus, in the Submitted Entry section, you can check out what other artists have uploaded. It's a great way to see how others are interpreting the theme and to get inspired. When you're ready to participate, click on the Submit Your Entry button. You'll be given 2 options: either select from one of your existing entries or upload a new entry. If you want to submit an existing entry, simply click on Click to Add, then use the drop-down arrow to select the piece you want to submit, and finally, click Submit Your Entry. Now, let's assume you don't want to use an already uploaded piece and would rather start fresh. In that case, click on Upload New. You'll be asked to fill in some important details such as the title or name of your entry, a brief description, your chosen genre, the language, and select the content quality. Once that's done, hit Next, upload your video, and let it process. After the upload completes, click Submit. Your entry will appear in the competition shortly after it goes through a few basic checks. And that's it. You've successfully submitted your entry to a Medelz competition.